This is Terry from Get Wet Sailing.
And Tyler. And we're here at Jordanelle, back for another race with the laser boats. Tyler here.
And Terry here.
From Get Wet Sailing. We're out here today at Deer Creek for the Utah Summer Games.
This is Terry.
And Tyler.
We're from Get Wet Sailing, and actually today it's Get Wet Rafting. Hi, this is Terry from Get Wet Sailing.
Alright, Tyler here with Get Wet Sailing.
Everybody come to Utah and do a little late summer, early fall sailing. You won't be disappointed.
It's hot today and I want to go sailing.
I would say there's a pretty good breeze today, and the water's pretty cold. The wind's pretty cold.
And it was a lot of fun. Check it out. From Get Wet Sailing.
So, go to our website. We'll have a link there to StallSack, or we'll have this on the video.
Do you want to do it again?
I messed that up again. Go out and get wet.
Sailing. So, have a great sailing season. So,
Have a great sailing season.
So, have a good one.
To watch our previous videos, go to youtube.com/getwetsailing.
Mmm, tasty.